Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your dear friend Ezbununachi, Crafty Mom. So today we're going to be doing something like this. This is actually a metal. So I'm going to show you guys how you're going to achieve it by doing it yourself at home with something like this, with just paper, and you're good to go and you have your wall decorated. So let's start. This is actually a back cover. So I'm going to be using this because of the color. I wanted to take something like this. If you can't buy a cardboard paper, you can use anything like this. So I decided to use something like this because of the color. And obviously I'll be using this brown paper to make this. So let's start. So first thing we are going to do with the papers is to cut it out in square shapes. So in these square shapes you have like different sizes. Now I'm measuring out 13. The next one I'm going to measure is size 11, size 7, and size 5 inches. So doing this, you have different sizes of this particular leaf that we are doing. So you fold it after cutting out a square shape, you fold it in a triangular form, in a triangular shape, then cut it out. This is exactly what we need. So here we're going to be folding it front and back. So this is how it's going to look like after folding your paper. So when you're done folding, you glue and glue it together. So this is exactly what it looks like. So here we'll be having different shapes. I'll be doing this with the blue book cover that I showed you guys earlier. So I'm going to be doing the same thing here. So you have different sizes, like this is okay, size this is size 13. You have different sizes in order not to have equal leaves or equal design. That will bring, or that will help to bring out the beauty and make it more balanced. As you can see, different sizes from the biggest to the smallest. So when you're done with making the leaves, I use my kids' old textbooks, as their siblings can reuse their books. It's the best way for me to reuse their old books. So these old books, what we need to do is to roll it up like I'm doing right here to form a stick like. So we'll be having these three for our design. So here are the three paper sticks that I made. So next thing we're going to do is to color. See, there are other alternatives you can use. If you can use an old book, there are black embossed paper you can buy, and this you won't have to paint it. You just rolling it up and you have your paper sticks ready. Okay, so next thing we're going to be doing here is to cut out 4 inches from the four corners of this cardboard paper. cut it out to have an opening in the middle. So I'm using 4 inches. The border is going to be 4 inches bold. So I'm cutting it out, and this is exactly what we need. Yes, then you paint. You can still replace this paint with your black embossed papers for those that cannot paint, or those that cannot buy paint. You can still use embossed papers to cover the carton up. So here we're going to be fixing these things. We are close to the finishing line. So I'm going to be fixing this underneath the carton. Then the upper one, I'm going to fix it on top. I'm going to glue it on top of the carton. So this is just like a stem. It's going to serve as a stem to the leaves that I made previously. So these are going to be standing like a support. It's just like a support to the stems, to the leaves that I made. So I'm done fixing the stems. Now is to attach the stems, the leaves to the stems, like I'm doing right now. So first thing I did was to fix it to know if the colors are going to be balanced, because I'll need it to be balanced. So I fixed it before gluing so that I will not make any mistakes. So this is it. So I'm done. I'll now be gluing the leaves to the stem. So guys, I am done fixing the leaves, and our work is actually done here. So here I'll be fixing the hook for hanging, and we are good to go. And the wall and the decoration is ready. So this is how it looks like while it's hung on the wall. So, is this a yes or a no for you? If you like it, if you think it's a yes, give me a thumbs up and a like. Do what to subscribe if you're yet to subscribe. And if this say no for you, do what to dictate on the comment section. Anyways, if you're yet to subscribe, do what to subscribe to my channel to get more of DIYs on wall decoration and other stuff. See you next time. Bye.